here with an unboxing video of Kindle Paperwhite. So let's start with the unboxing. So this is the box of Kindle Paperwhite. Actually it's the cover, the main box is here. And this is a version, new Kindle Paperwhite 7th generation Wi-Fi e-reader, and it says the price of rupees 10,999 here. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so when we unbox, we get some paperwork here. I don't read it. And then here is a starting guide. And then comes the Kindle itself. And then there is USB cable inside to charge the Kindle. So let's keep the box aside. So let's see the device. First of all, it is feeling so good in hand because of its texture, and it is lightweight as well as compact. Actually this Kindle was gifted to me by my elder sister. So let's have a look on it. Here is the screen. Here is the USB cable input. Here is a small LED light and a power button. So let's switch on the power button. So when we switch it on, so this is how your home screen looks on Kindle. And I have already linked my account, Amazon account with it. So let me increase the brightness for you, and it is very easy. Just go to settings and increase your brightness. So I have increased my brightness to the full. I hope you can see this. I think it is very nice. Like, I am fond of reading books, so it can be very useful, though it cannot replace the feeling we get from a book. But of course, it is very handy and useful at times. So let me tell you some features of it. The first feature is about, of course, it's a screen. So the screen is a 300 ppi display with built-in adjustable light, and it helps you a lot. The second feature is readable in sunlight. Of course, this is the specialty of it because it has a screen that does not glare, and that's what we want from it. It just looks like you are reading from a paper. There is a very minor difference. Next feature is massive selection. You can select a word to know its meaning, to search it on Wikipedia, or even you can select a sentence or a paragraph to highlight it. Okay, so the next features hold thousands of books. It has 4 GB storage. The next feature is long-lasting battery. I have used it and it really lasts long. Also, it has Wi-Fi that I have already told you while I was reading the version of the Kindle. So that was pretty much, and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you have any queries, any questions related to Kindle, then ask me in the comment section below. I'll surely answer it.